Hello, my wonderful people. Today, join us. Let's prepare this Gambian jollof. Yes, my lovely, wonderful sister, she's from Gambia. She's here to prepare Gambian jollof for us. So, stay tuned and join us to prepare it together. So, as you can see, she's already preparing her chili pepper and tomato, and then she transfer everything in the blender, and garlic and onions, and then she blend everything together. And also she chopped some tomato and chopped some onions also, and she's pouring a amount of oil she need in a large pan. As you can see, this large pan means that she's cooking a lot of jollof. And now the oil is hot, and then she add her chopped tomato in it, and then she's stirring it very well and allow it to fry for some minutes. Then she added a tuna in it. Actually, the reason why she's adding tuna, because we don't have the fresh fish, so she decided to use this tuna, and she added it. And also you can fry the tuna if you want. And now she's mixing everything very well, and she add her chopped onions in it. The reason why I call it Gambian jollof, because the person that she's preparing this jollof, she's from Gambia. Yes, and she's beautiful, guys. So she's mixing everything together so that everything will combine very well. And then she go on with a tomato paste also. And then she mix everything. You know, you cannot cook without tomato paste. If you want your jollof to come out very good, unless you add tomato paste to it. Yes, that is when you get this authentic original jollof. And now she's going on with her blended tomato that she already blended earlier, and mix everything together very well. So now she's mixing it and then allow it to boil. And then she go on with her bay leaf and then added it in the stew, and also salt in it. And now she's definitely going to mix everything very well and add her water. She know amount of water she's using, so she added her water in it, and go on with her Maggi and some of her spices of her choice. So you can also go on and use the spices of your choice also. Everybody has his own spices, so that is why I didn't disturb myself to bring exactly spices that she's using. And now I've allowed the water to boil, and now she's adding the rice to it. So yes, she's supposed to wash the rice, but I don't know. Everybody has his own way to cook better jollof. So, and now she wants to add these beans to it. Yeah, she's using 3 different kind of beans. Yes, and you can add it or you can just leave it, but she's the one adding it. She's transferring it in the drainer and give it a quick rinse. She wants to rinse it very well before adding it in the rice. So now she's mixing everything together very well, though she tried because the jollof was very plenty. And now she cover it to cook. Yes, so after small minutes she opened it, and this is how it is. And she cover it again and then open it again, and this is how it is. But it's not ready yet. She's just turning it together so that everything will cook and be ready very well and cook very well. We don't want half done jollof. Like if you are cooking a lot of jollof like this, if it not give it a good stir, it will be half done, and we don't want it half done. We want everything to cook very well so that we will not have any issue. And then she cover it with plastic and then leave it for the vapor to cook it very well. Yes. And after some minutes, it's ready. Yes. And now it's ready to share the jollof. So here we are packaging everything very well. So tell me, will you eat or pass? Am I not the one with her cooking the jollof? I'm going to take my own too and enjoy. And I know this jollof, you are going to try it. It's very amazing and simple. Yes. Thank you. Here is mine. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.